Here's why the mind wants you to fail. You see, the mind wants you to be safe. It's been that way for thousands of years. It's its natural default programming: food, shelter, water, safety above all else.
Mr. Dan Henry!
After another, if you solve enough problems, you could become a millionaire.
So the mind will lead you to take actions that preserve safety. Success comes from risk. Risk is the opposite of safety. So if the mind always opposes risk, the mind always opposes success.
A college dropout is now a millionaire. So our next guest, Mr. Smarty Pants, Dan Henry, is a college dropout who learned how to turn his expertise into a $10 million business. I mean, the book is called Digital Millionaire Secrets. You can pick your copy up now.
So the next time your mind tells you, "You look stupid if you try that. You don't have time. It's too much of an investment. What if you fail?" That's the mind keeping you unsuccessful. That's the mind keeping you safe.
It's a really cheap way to do it.
A successful mind doesn't think, "I don't have time." It thinks, "How can I find the time?" It doesn't think, "What if I fail?" It's, "How can I make this work?" It doesn't think, "This is too much of an investment." It thinks, "I'm worth investing in." And above all else, it doesn't think, "What if I look stupid?" It thinks, "A year from now, they'll be taking notes." But that's a developed mind. The mind that we're born with doesn't think that way. The secret to success is to make up your own mind. My name is Dan Henry, and I want you to know that the only thing holding you back is you.